A good day, guys, and today we are talking about ceramic tiles. So what is ceramic tiles? Ceramic tiles is a type of tile that is typically made from red or white clay. Ceramic tile can be used in several areas throughout the house. Ceramic tile is made of clay that has been fired in a kiln. So this means that it's not frost proof and it may chip or damage more easily than porcelain tile. Guys, I want to tell you the advantage and disadvantage of ceramic tiles. First, we go to disadvantage. Uh, Ceramic tiles has a harder surface. Ceramic flooring is extremely hard, while this makes it easier to clean and maintain. It can also make it uncomfortable to stand. So, this material, unlike resilient floors, can be softened using padded underlayments, which means it might not be suitable choice for some. Advantage of ceramic tiles. This tile is water resistant, durable, easy to maintain, and no allergy concerns. So, how is a ceramic tile made? Uh, there are five steps in the ceramic tile manufacturing process: mining, bending, and mixing, pressing, and glazing, and the last, firing. This process is always used in making ceramic tiles. I'll explain to you how ceramic tiles made in a simple way. Ceramic tile is made of clay that is shaped and then it's fired in a very hot kiln. In earlier time, the production process was that unglazed tile was fired once and a glazed tile was fired twice. In this step, the tiles are fired to 1060 to 120 Celsius in a kiln in order to fix the shape. So later I will give you some tips of cleaning ceramic tiles, and I will tell you how long do ceramic tiles last. But before that, I will show you a video of making a ceramic tile. Let's go.
Daddy,
Tiles are made from basic components that are readily available from Mother Earth. Raw materials such as sand, white clays, talc, feldspar, elytic and kaolinitic clays, calcite, and dolomite are quarried and refined. Using heavy construction equipment, the raw materials are brought to the plant where they are stored prior to mixing. They are placed in holding areas, classified by type using a simple numeric reference system. The raw materials are mixed in specific proportions by weight. The specified mixture is achieved by varying the speed of the conveyors that feed a master conveyor. The conveyor dumps the mixture of raw materials into a storage tank. The mixture is then fed into a series of mixing tanks with water and ceramic pellets to form a liquid material called slurry. The slurry is then transferred to large underground storage tanks, then fed into an atomizer. The atomizer is equipped with a nozzle. The nozzle sprays the slurry into the middle of a large tank that is fed with a current of hot air. As the slurry becomes airborne, it rapidly dries to form atomized powder. The atomized powder is fed into a holding vat just behind the press. The vat releases measured quantities of atomized powder into a tray, which distributes the powder evenly into the mold. A force of 340 to 400 kilograms per square centimeter is applied using a large hydraulic press. The combination of high pressure and residual moisture turns the powder into a solid mass. After the body is formed, it is dried further to remove most of the remaining moisture. It is important to remove the moisture in order to keep the product stable during the cooking process in the kiln. This guarantees that the product will come out of the kiln as a solid homogeneous material, free of physical weaknesses or defects. Tiles are placed in temporary storage bins at various stages of the production process until they're required for different stages. This also allows time to adjust and repair equipment. Glazing and screening serve both a practical and artistic purpose. They form an important part of the finished product because they provide aesthetic beauty, water repellency, durability, and hygienic properties to the tile. Roller screens are commonly used to apply design and color, layer by layer, to the bisque of the tile. Greater design variation can be achieved by adding roller screens to the line. Numerous test runs can be made to verify the quality of finish, trueness of design, and color definition before the final formulation is qualified and accepted. Glaze is essentially a glass-like substance and is applied to the surface of the tile by spray, waterfall, screening, or dry glazing methods. After the glaze is applied, the tile is fired in the kiln. There are different types of kilns, but the roller hearth kiln seen here is by far the most efficient. Temperatures in this type of kiln can reach as high as 1190 degrees Celsius. The kiln solidifies the glaze and removes all residual moisture in the ceramic. At this point, we basically have the final product. To ensure quality, the finished product is inspected and verified for any imperfections. Caliber, shade, and quality are validated by mechanical and human means. The information about each tile is used to sort and box the material accordingly. Boxes are marked with the quality, shade, and caliber specifications and placed on the appropriate pallet. Once the pallets are stacked, they are placed in the yard, ready to be shipped.
The plant uses some of the finest imported clay sourced from Ukraine, the most expensive clay in the world, prized for its strength and plasticity, ensuring that you get tiles that deliver long-lasting strength and beauty. Raw clay powder and other minerals are combined in a batch mixer for complete blending. The mixed clay and mineral chunks are then further crushed and mixed with 33% water in specialized ball mills. Inside these cylindrical drums, giant alumina balls crush the powder to create a homogeneous paste-like mixture. The finely crushed slurry is then passed through a vibrosieve to remove uncrushed particles and then magnetic purification to remove magnetic impurities. The next step is drying. The slurry is pumped at high pressure through a spray nozzle. A blast of hot air passed through the spray reduces the moisture content from 33% to 6%, resulting in a fine powder, easy to mold and shape. This moist powder is now ready to be pressed and take tile form at the tile press. Made by SACME, the world leaders in tile technology, our fully automated tile press is capable of shaping tiles in a range of sizes and shapes. The machine presses the powder at 400 to 500 bars of pressure to create a raw green tile. This green tile is then processed in a dryer, completely removing all moisture content, making it ready for the processing that will truly give it color and finish. The next step in the tile's journey is the engobe application. Sourced from leading Italian sources, the engobe and glaze are poured over the tile in succession, preparing them for the magic of the roto printer. A special series of 4 coloring drums operated by a sophisticated computer program. The roto printer gives every tile a unique color and design, one of the key factors behind the variety of patterns and the nature-like beauty of Nitco tiles. These printed raw tiles are now ready for heat treatment. Special laser-guided robots stack and order the tiles and take them to the central kiln facility, all without any human intervention. The kiln processes raw tiles and makes them strong, durable and beautiful. Tiles are heated up to 1200 degrees Celsius in 5 different temperature zones, emerging ready at the end of the 145-meter-long journey. From the length of the kiln to the fine temperature control, everything is calculated to impart durable strength and rock-like toughness to the tile. After thorough quality testing of the batches at our special QC lab, tiles are given a further natural touch through Lapato polishing. 16 polishing heads, each with different abrasives, give each tile a unique natural texture and natural surface finish. The heat-treated tiles are then taken through a squaring and chamfering process, where a computer determines the size of every single tile and grinds them to give you reliably uniform size and complete dimensional control. Tiles are finished by giving them special nano coat. This coat shuts down micro pinholes in the tile surface, imparting to it antibacterial properties and giving it enhanced stain resistance. The finished tiles are computer sorted and graded on strict parameters. Even the slightest error leads tiles to be rejected, making sure that every tile gives you the same high standards of quality that you expect from Nitco.
So that's the process of how to make a ceramic tiles. And now I will give you some tips of cleaning and maintaining the good quality of ceramic tiles. So how do you protect ceramic tiles? A glazed ceramic tile should not be sealed. It is recommended that grout be sealed. If you need to remove a topical sealer or floor wax from a ceramic tile, you should use a tile sealer and adhesive remover. Always test a smaller area first. So, how long do ceramic tile last? Ceramic flooring is some of the toughest and most durable flooring in the market. Having a glazed, high-grade ceramic floor can last well over 100 years if properly taken care of. Ceramic tile is very easy to keep looking like new with just basic household cleaners and a mop. So that's all I can share you about ceramic tiles. Thank you.